Hello viewers across the globe, welcome to InfoDem. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to add your business address or your home address on Google Map. In case you have a business and you want people to access or to locate your business from Google Map, this video is for you. Or your home address, you want it to be easily located, this video is also for you. So right now, let us go straight into the video. Meanwhile, before we delve into the tutorial, if you are new to InfoDem, I will encourage you to quickly subscribe to this channel. Bang the bell there so that whenever I drop any video, you can be duly notified. So right now, let us go straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is to go to your Google Map. Okay, once you go to your Google Map, then you search for your business address. How do you do that? You come up here, then you type your business address. Okay, for example, let me type my address where I'm doing this from. So if you have done that, once you see it, you select it. Immediately you select it, the next thing you need to do is to right click the map. If you are using your phone, all you need to do is to click and hold. When you click and hold, you will notice that place this one up. As you can see, there are information here that you need to enter. You can see add a missing place, add your business to map for free. So when you get to this point, the next thing you need to do, as you can see, add a missing place. Where is a missing place on this map? I think it's your business address or your home address. What do? You click it. Please, I want to encourage you to share this video on your social media handle, because I believe there are a lot of people that want to do this and don't know how to go about it. So as you can see, this is what you have here. Provide some information about this place. It is a place. If this place is added to map, it will appear publicly. So what do? You add the name of your company. Let me see, InfoDem. Then the next thing I need to do is to put the category. What's the category? Is it shop, PJ services? Is it what are you rendering? As a, if it is church, you put religion. If it's restaurant, you put food and drink. Right now, I am putting education center, as you can see. Then here you now say location within. I'll type the name of the place. Let me say Villa Barracks. Okay, if I want to continue to add more detail, for example like my phone number and the rest, in case if anybody want to contact you, you can see add more detail. I can come ahead here and put phone number and the rest of them, but right now I don't want to do that, so I want to end it here. You can even add your picture so that anybody that is coming, you can add the picture of your company. Maybe you can just snap the front and click add photo here and add it. So if you have done that, the next thing to do is to go to save. Go to save, you submit. As you can see, how your edits are used. Change based on your edit may appear across Google Service Map search, and Google may email you about the status of your edit. It's okay. So I just say submit. Once I submit this, the next thing is to claim this business. How do you claim this business? Enter your business information in the dialog box. So right now, as you can see from here, from overview, you go to update, then you go to about. You need to claim this business. Now what do? You click claim this business. So as you can see, manage this business to reply to review, update, info and more. You are precious. By continue, you are agreeing to the terms and private to the terms of service and privacy policy. For more information about how we source and use information, all you need to do is to come down here and say manage now. If you owe another business, you say I owe or manage another business, you can link the both business here. You can just go straight to I own or manage another business, in which you can just add the other business to this. If you don't have any other business, just click manage now. As you can see, manage this business to reply to review, update info and more. Stay in the know. Want email notification on news and tips? Say yes if you want email notification, then you continue. From here you select a way to get verified. Whether I'm doing this for the purpose of this training, so you can go ahead and click next if you want to verify. But if you want to do it later for the purpose of this video, I will click verify later. This is how to go about it. When you click next, you will need to video your business. You video what you are selling, everything, for verification purpose. But right now I don't want to verify it because I'm only doing it for tutorial purpose. So right now I will say verify later. If I've done that, you can see say you can continue making edit to your business on Google, but they will not be visible to customer until you complete your verification. So I want to say congratulations. If you have gotten to this point, you have successfully added your business address to Google Maps. If you don't verify, you will continue editing it until you finish this verification before it can be visible on Google Maps. So that is how to go about it if you want to add your business address to Google Maps. So I want to say congratulations to you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, share this video. Until I see you in my next video, I say be